This is a Fun for All Power Sport ATV demonstration. The model we have right here is the ATA 125F. This model here speaks for itself. Very nice model. I'm about to give you a close-up on it. You look at the tires. Pretty good tires. Camo body. Real beautiful body. Has headlights in the front. This model here, adults can ride, kids can ride. It's pretty much open, as long as you know how to ride an ATV. But this is one that you'll love. This model here is $900, and what he's about to do now is start it. Now what he's about to do is take off. Look at that baby go. Yeah, closer up. You'll love this model. I mean, this is a good model. For the size, for the money, you can't beat it. Now what he's about to do is put in reverse. If you have any questions on this model here, you can call 317-826-0113. And the price for this model is $900. Thank you.